it's Miss Alana, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Tuesday, March the 15th, and this is number 5. We are halfway there. All right, so let's look at the standard. The domain is number and operations in base 10. The standard is number 5. And if you can do this problem, you can say the I can statement. I can fluently add and subtract within 100 using my understanding of place value and the properties of addition and subtraction. So for the problem, what do we have to do? We need to subtract, then check our answer by adding. All right, so we have a 3-digit minus a 3-digit. So there's 635 minus 179. So we start where? In the ones place. So we see 5, take away 9. Let me see 5. Can you take 9 away from that? No, it's not enough. So what do you have to do? Borrow from the neighbor next door. So what number's next door? What's the neighbor? Number 3. So number 5 says to number 3, number 3, can I borrow? Okay, number 3. So we're going to cross out the 5 and the 3. And since the 3 is going to let 5 borrow, the 3 becomes a 2. So that becomes a 2, just like that. See, I wrote a 2. And the 5 becomes a what? 15. So write 15 over the 5, just like I did. So now we have to do 15, take away 9. All right, so you can figure it out with your fact family, but if you don't know your fact family, which you should, we can count up. So put 9 in your mind. We're counting to 15. 9 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so remember 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much is that? That's 6. So 6 in the ones, please. Then we have 2 plus 7. No, not 2 plus 7. 2 take away 7. So show me 2. 2 fingers. Can you take 7 away from that? Oh, no, that's not enough. So what does 2 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Number 6, can I borrow? And number 6 said, sure, you can borrow. So number 6 becomes a what? 6 becomes a 5. See, look what I did. See, the 6 becomes a 5, and then remember the 2 is regrouping from that 5, so that 2 becomes a what? A 12, okay? It becomes a 12. Remember, just put a 1 in front of that 2, see? Becomes a 12. So now, 12 take away 7. You know your fact family. What number belongs with 12 and 7? Count up from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. I knew you knew that. So 12 minus 7 is 5. And then 5 take away 1. That is 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is, bam, 456. But we're not done. There's one more thing we need to do, and that is to check our answer. And how can we check our answer? By adding. Remember, the opposite of adding is subtracting, and the opposite of subtracting is adding. So take this number, 179, and we're going to add it to 456, all right? So I'm going to set up that problem first and show it to you. So write 179 and write it vertically, okay? Plus 456. Just like that. So 179 plus 456. So let's add 9 plus 6. 9 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15. So we write the 5 and carry the 1 just like that. And now we do 1 plus 7. What's 1 plus 7? 1 plus 7 is 8. And then plus 5 more, 8. Count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. And what do we have next? We have 1 plus 4 plus, no, 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, or you could do 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 1 more is 6. So either way, you can add them out of order as long as you add it correctly, and you'll get the same answer. And, oh my goodness, look, what's my answer? 635, and look, bam, it's right there. So, I know my answer's right. I know it's right. How do I know? Because, look, 635, 179, 456. Look, 639, 179, no, I'm saying my number's weird. All right, 179, bam, right there. 456, bam, right there. 635, bam. They match up, so I know I'm right. Yes, thumbs up if you got it right. Don't forget, write your explanation on the side so I can find out how you solved that problem. Yeah, thumbs up when you're done.